Go get Buster. Oh, no, you got a cough. Buster, come on, we need your help. Need your help convincing Nathan to crawl. Ah! What can you say? Can you say Mama? Mama? Dada? Buster? Buster? Is Buster a dog? Where's your doggy? Where's your doggy? Go get him. Go get him. You can do it. Buster, come on. Buster, come here. Buster. Go get him. Go get Buster. Come on, go get him. Watch out, Buster. Watch out. Come on. Oh, is that enough? Is that enough? You can get all the way across the room now. You're not going to show Grammy how you can get all the way across the room? Come on, show her. Say no. I choose not to. I choose not to. She's going to have to take your word for it. Why would I do that when there's things to drum? Things to bang with? Things to wave in the air? Well, can you go get your ball, Nathan? Where's your ball? Where's Buster? Want to come get him? Alright. Wave bye-bye to Grammy. Bye-bye. Say I love you, Grammy. Bye-bye. You blow a kiss? No. Yeah, just like that.